Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of Hide Add to Cart and Price plugin. Go to the Hide Price tab inside the WooCommerce tab. Here you can create new rules and also manage already created rule. For new rule, you need to configure the followings. Set the title of the rule. Enable disable rule. Set priority. Country-wise restriction. Products categories restriction. You can exclude products and categories. Restrict user roles. Enable or disable the date range for this rule. Hide price option. Set hide price text. Hide add to cart button. Label for custom button. Add custom button URL. Set the background and text color for custom button. Let's have a look at the front end. Price and add to cart button hidden and custom button with URL enabled. Also enabled on product page. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact support team.